Hey, thanks for checking out this video. I'm your Everyday Joe. Today, I'm gonna make a nice and easy recipe. Basil, bacon, tomato, grilled cheese in the air fryer. Stay tuned. First step, like any grilled cheese, you need butter. Now, you can use a softened butter or you can just melt it. I figured it's just easier to spread on some soft white bread. You can use a brioche bread or whatever bread you like. That's fine. This is the bread I have for today. So I'm just going to take some of this butter and just give it a nice soaking. Not too much because we do want it to get crisp. So it's just easier to spread this way than trying to fudge with the butter stick. Okay, get that all on there. Now you can put butter on both sides. That's up to you. So I'm going to leave the buttered side up. We're going to toast that side first. So let's get that into the air fryer. Okay, I'm going to put this in the middle. And I'm going to put this close to the top so it toasts up nicely first. We're going to go about 5 minutes. After about 3 minutes or so, I'm going to swap them out just to make sure that they cook evenly. And I'm going to crank it all the way up. You know, I like high temperature cooking here, especially in the air fryer. And we're going to go 400 degrees. We're going to let this go for about 5 minutes total. About 2 minutes, I'm going to swap them out. And then I'll show you how to put together the rest of this delicious cheese sandwich. All right, so I'm going to put the buttered side, I'm going to flip it. So the buttered side is on the outside. Okay, now you can keep it on the inside. It's your choice. Now I grated up some Monterey Jack cheese, some pepper jack. And we're going to put a nice stack here on these. Now, you can never have too much cheese in a grilled cheese. That's what I'm finding out anyway. So let's make sure we got enough here. Okay, and I'm going to add some bacon. Now you can have the strips, you can have the pieces. I've got this extra tasty bacon pieces, real bacon pieces. Okay, which I'm going to stack on these like that. Press it right into the cheese because it's going to be good eating. All right, the next step, I'm going to add a couple of leaves of my fresh basil from my aero garden there. About, 2 or 3 or 4, whatever it takes. Okay, and we're going to add a couple of slices of tomato on top of all that. And we're going to add more cheese to the top. Like I said, just isn't enough cheese. So, and this is the pepper jack. Again, this is freshly shredded. It's not the bag stuff. So this is a little softer and it is stickier. So we're just going to add that to the top here. Grab the bread and smush it down a little bit. Smush it down a little bit here. Okay, let's move these side to side here and clear out some of this extra cheese. And get that into the air fryer oven. I'm going to close the door, and as those are going, I'm going to make a few more. I'm going to let this go until the cheese really gets all gooey and flattens out nice and hot, just the way we like our grilled cheese. And I'll bring you back when they come out. Well, here we have my tomato, bacon, grilled cheese sandwich made in the air fryer oven. On your grilled cheese, do you cut angle? Do you cut straight across? Let me know in the comments section anyway. So I've already started eating it because I just couldn't wait. It just came out awesome. Yeah, I'm just wrecking the sandwich because it's so good. Mm. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll leave the ingredients down in the description below. Give me some likes, some shares, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications on when I put out a new video. And check out some of the videos here on the side that YouTube places. We enjoy making these recipes and spending time with you. Hope you enjoy spending time with us, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.